Have you seen the top 10 rarest discoveries in the sky? Have you ever seen an alien in a storm? Do you know the mysterious creature Swan Man? This issue of the Eye of Science will take stock of the rarest in the sky. Top 10 discoveries to see. Please long press like, comment plus subscribe. Let's find out. The 10th place in hell if you look up at the sky. See this picture. Would you be scared? 2017. Residents of Texile de Freitas, Brazil, witnessed a terrifying sight. A red bee-shaped cloud appeared in the sky, like a pair of hands in the depths of hell, like a giant red claw falling from the sky. Located directly above a house, this cloud radiates a strange bright red light. It feels like the end of the world is coming. Many people refer to it as the cloud of doom or the cloud of hell. This spectacle, it just appeared and disappeared after 5 minutes. But the residents who witnessed it were certainly not frightened. Soul flying. People were terrified. I feel like the world is going to end. Some people think it's God's work. It's a perfect world. There's lots of speculation. But what is it about him? But never clearly explained. If he is the head of hell, so what will be the purpose of his appearance this time? Of course, more people still think it's just a natural wonder. Certainly, exactly how it formed remains to be seen. If the house under the clouds of hell is yours, do you think that's a good thing or a bad thing? 9th floating city, October 7, 2015. Appeared in our country Fashion City. A peculiar mirage phenomenon. In the sky, an image like a lost city appeared. He looks like ancient Rome, or ancient Chinese cities, surrounded by tall city walls. Thousands of people have seen it with their own eyes, and he blew everybody away. The complete city floating in the sky. It's not lighting or propaganda. This scene, just eating, lasted a few minutes, then disappeared. More and more people are beginning to take notice of this strange phenomenon, so they express their opinions one after another. Some people speculate that this could be a secret city known to the world's elite. Others think it's just a coincidence. Combined clouds. Wonders, some people think it's an advanced form of mirage. Whatever the explanation, a whole city suddenly appearing and disappearing in the sky. It's a very disturbing thing indeed. There are even crazier theories. This could be part of the Blu-ray project. It's a secret program developed by the US government. The purpose is to manipulate the weather to create artificial disasters. This time it's a mirage in China. It is said to be their experiment. 8th place. Rainbow sky in the wonders of nature. The rainbow is without a doubt the most beautiful, one of the colorful landscapes. When a rainbow spans the sky, that colorful color, it always attracts people to stop and look up. Marvel at the wonders of nature's creativity. Rainbows after rain are most common. This is because water droplets form rainbows. The most basic condition, when the sun shines on these little water droplets, it's going to refract different colors of light. The refraction angles during refraction are different. This makes the white light that was originally mixed together is broken down into 7 different colors of light. Almost everyone has seen a rainbow. So have you seen a rainbow? Are the clouds, even the sky, full of rainbows? It looks like these all seem to be images generated after post-processing. However, this incredible picture is indeed real. In fact, it is a phenomenon around a horizontal lake. It is also a kind of ice rime phenomenon. Ice rime refers to the halo and lake of light that appear in the sky when sunlight shines through ice crystals in the air, and the tops of these will form a horizontal lake around them. When light shines through the surface of the ice crystals, they're at a 60-degree angle to each other. The light is refracted and incorporated into the rainbow light composition. According to the density of these ice crystal clouds, it also takes on different shapes in the sky. Rainbow. 7. Swan Man. The Swan Man is one of the 10 most mysterious creatures in the world. It is said that his appearance heralded the general of death. The Swan Man has a pair of huge wings. The blood-red eyes glowed brightly. The scariest thing is, he's the size of an adult. December 15, 1967. Traffic on Silver Bridge in the United States is extremely congested. On the bridge, the sound of metal breaking suddenly came from somewhere. Soon the buildings on the bridge began to break and collapse. In just 40 seconds, the entire Silver Bridge was submerged into the river. After fishing survey, 44 deaths confirmed. 2 people are missing, one of the lucky survivors. He recounts his own thrilling experience. He said that just when he was feeling lucky for himself, suddenly I saw a creature similar to a swan man. He wasn't the only one who saw it. Almost everyone in the neighborhood has noticed the behemoth above the bridge. And that's the gray-black hair all over the body. Swan man scent, Silver Bridge collapse. It was the worst disaster the town had ever suffered. Almost everyone in Point Pleasant affected. And this terrible disaster, it's related to the Swan Man. And that's why. People will swan people, tied to disaster. They believe that when the Swan Man appears, there will be disaster. 6th place. The specter of lightning strikes us as lightning. Usually bright white current. But in some cases, they can also be creepy. Of red. This is a lightning shot by a netizens. Let's slow it down. Why is there a flash of red here? Weird stripes. It's not a camera failure. It's not post-editing. In fact, as early as 2015, NASA has photographed similar objects from space. Like red flash. It is certain that. And those red flashes are not lightning bolts. What are they? Some call them lightning ghosts. Look, they seem to be at the same altitude as the storm, but they are flashes in the middle. About 45 kilometers from the storm. Although I don't feel how old he is in the video. But they can actually be up to 50 kilometers wide. Scientists describe lightning ghosts are usually triggered by strong positive lightning. And most lightning is negatively charged. It's not even 5% likely. But it's stronger than negative lightning. Up to 10 times. So is there a possibility? The culprit of lightning accidents. It's actually the ghost of lightning. 5th place, Sky Black Ring 2015. A resident of Kazakhstan uploaded a video. You can see it in the video. In the sky, a huge ring of black smoke emerged. Disappears after 15 minutes of floating. Everyone is baffled. What would the smog ring be? How will he be formed? It is said that in various parts of the world, similar black rings have appeared. So for example, in Leamington in the UK, the sky after a fireworks test. This black smoke ring appears. After a fireworks display in Florida. Similar black smoke circles also appeared. However, in Kazakhstan, nothing was found here. Items that cause the formation of landscapes such as magnetism. No fireworks, no fire. There is no failure in the air pressure, and other rare conditions did not occur. This confused everyone. People began to speculate, could this be an infinite number of works? Or a portal to another dimension? So is there a possibility? The black smoke circles that appeared in those places before, also a portal. And what we think caused it? It's just a coincidence. The 4th place is clouded. What is the cloud like in your heart? White, fluffy, soft. The cloud of our impression is generally only used to describe. However, the cloud volume we introduced today, it's actually described as intestines. Clouds can transform into arbitrary shapes. Of course, sausages are also included. However, this sausage is not ordinary big. This sausage-shaped cloud is called a cloud roll. This cloud roll is 1,000 kilometers long, up to 1.6 kilometers. They can move 20 meters per second. Many people are concerned about this rare phenomenon. Extremely curious. Some even speculate. The formation of volumes may not be the result of spontaneous occurrence. Could he be related to the mysterious phenomenon? Could the formation of cloud rolls mean anything? How do clouds of this shape form? Scientists are concerned about this. There hasn't been a specific explanation yet for the cloud. Temperature and humidity are important factors in the formation of clouds. Presumably, this is also the main reason for the formation of cloud rolls, although they have not been fully explained. But we do! The mystery of clouds is not just that simple. 3rd place, Sky Face. New Brunswick, Canada, 2011. A resident is watering flowers outside. I inadvertently looked up and saw a strange scene. He was surprised to find the clouds in the sky are moving very fast. And the layers are gradually forming a huge surface. The outline of the face is getting clearer and clearer. It's like this face is pushing the clouds. Fast forward. You can see that he has eye sockets, nose, lips. The chin details are handled extremely well. It looks almost like a human face. Others exclaimed that it was the face of God. Veteran cloud scientist George Isaac, in response to this phenomenon, express your opinion. He said that clouds come in all shapes and sizes. This also means that this face is just a coincidence. But he does look so realistic. More and more people are not. I want to believe that this is an accidental shape. Some people think this could be some kind of high-level civilization. Others thought it might be a giant. Anyway, and this really surprised everybody. 2nd place, Doomsday Light according to some Christians. If the end of the world comes, believers will rise to the clouds to meet God. This event is called conversion. Certainly, humans have survived without the end of the world. Then if the moment the believer ascends to the clouds, does it also explain the end of the world is coming? In real life, it did happen. Strange beams of light sound like strange sights in the sky. But fortunately, it's not a conversion. They're not game effects. When the night gets scary, when the temperature approaches freezing, you may see mysterious beams of light reaching into the sky. And these beams of light come in all different colors. Depends on the color of the light source they reflect. This truly amazing optical phenomenon. It can only be seen when ice crystals form in the atmosphere. The denser the ice crystals, the bigger they are, the more pronounced this effect. The light source involved can be street lamps and other ground light sources, even sunlight or moonlight. And these beams of light are fleeting. Therefore, some non-professionals believe that this could be related to aliens. Certainly, these beams of light are not evidence of alien existence either. He just reminds us, nature will surprise us the most. Time, marvel at the world's first storm alien. Closure period in 2021. When we were still trying to make cold skin with steamed cakes. A foreign internet user, they found aliens in the middle of a storm. On March 5th, a foreign internet user was bored. Pick up the mobile phone to live stream, record the scene of the approaching storm. And it happened to be an accident. But he found such a strange scene. It looks like something is floating in the air. Then I saw a pair of shining eyes slowly. Reveal. Overall, he looks like an alien. He's got really big eyes. It also emits a strange light. It gives people the chills. The live stream was attracted within half an hour. 70,000 users viewing. Everybody's wondering what it is. Could it be that he is indeed an alien from a distant planet? After investigation, it was found that this so-called live stream screen, it's actually a video uploaded in 2018. He is a designer and programmer from Malaysia. Co-create. And the alien-like object. It's actually a projection of a rubber duck.